So awesome. Okay. Okay.
هنا من مايكروسوفت تشرح لنا نرى أنا وهي بناية التي موجودة هنا لمس هذه يمكن استخدام أكثر مما تكون شخصيات تشبه الشخصيات الكرتونية، يعني كانت هذه
fourth industrial revolution strategies going forward. That's really made up of. So when we talk 13 trillion
we all remember in March in Dystopia we actually streamed an entire thank you Ahmed and this shows you possibility.
And, looking forward to many other dialogues coming through, but this was amazing, fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency.
Back 2 years ago, the UAE announced that we need to close down up to 50% of the service centers and move them digital on the mobile phone and so forth. We managed to close all of them and everything was digital as services. Today, in the Dubai Metaverse Assembly, we managed to launch the Minister of Economy on the Metaverse. It's our third address. We have an address in Abu Dhabi, a physical one, an address in Dubai, a physical one, and an address, a third one on the Metaverse, who really focuses on providing services. Today, we are incorporating really skilled, trained our employees to really immerse themselves on the Metaverse, to really use the Metaverse, to really engage with the next generation Z that is going to come in and really needs a lot of services. We thought the Metaverse is a phase, a technology might take 10 years, 20 years for immersion. But COVID-19 really immersed us so fast and expedited the use of Metaverse in the last couple of years. We've seen investments, we've seen companies move in. With the change of the regime and the green visa, the golden visa in the UAE, we've seen talent coming in.
فخورين نكون أول شركة إماراتية بدو مؤسسة من شباب إماراتيين تم إطلاق الميتافيرس اللي اشتغلنا عليه 2117 قبل 4 أيام بتاريخ 23/9 في متحف المستقبل. الميتافيرس هذا مستوحى من رؤية صاحب السمو الشيخ محمد بن راشد لمهمة بناء أول مستعمرة على كوكب المريخ في سنة 2117. لهذا السبب الشراكة مع مركز محمد بن راشد للفضاء لمحاكاة هذه المهمة.